You done with you done with the sucker?
No.
You getting the sucker out of your hair? Oh. Oh, no, don't. Don't rub your hair. Don't rub it. No. Don't put the sucker in your hair. I think you're doing it wrong.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. That's it.
I don't think you need to wipe off the sucker, baby. Are you done with the sucker? Can I have it?
No.
No. I wouldn't do that to the sucker. You gonna eat it? Alright, here, my turn. Give me some sucker. Can I have the sucker? Don't. What? You don't want to share? You want to share? No.
Mommy home.
Mommy is home.
Room.
Room? Yep, that's a room.
Cheese.
Cheese! Yes, you're on camera.
Camera.
Camera, yeah.
Camera. Camera's at home.
Camera's at home, yes.
Camera.
That's Candy. Camera?
Camera.
Yeah. Candy is on camera now.
Camera. Now. Gigi home.
Gigi is at home.
Gigi home.
Are you telling Poppy?
Poppy home.
Poppy is home.
Keke home.
Sucker is at home.
Keke.
Sucker, yeah.